Máret Ánne Sara, born 1983, is a Norwegian-Sami artist and author. She lives and works in Kautokeino, Norway. Máret Ánne Sara was born in Hammerfest and grew up in Finnmark County in a reindeer herding family that had its summer pasture on Kvaløya. She received her education in art from Arts University Bournemouth in the United Kingdom. She was nominated for the Nordic Council Children and Young People's Literature Prize in 2014 for her Sami-language young adult fantasy novel Ilmmiid gaskkas, Between Worlds. Her artwork was featured in the Documenta 14 exhibition in 2017. Works: Ilmmiid gaskkas, Between Worlds, young adult fantasy novel, Kautokeino, Norway, Dat. 2013. Dolly, young adult fantasy novel, Kautokeino, Norway, Dat. 2014. References: